Ready to ditch the realtor and snag your dream piece of land like a pro. First, scout your location. Online tools like Zillow or LandWatch are your best friends. Zero in on areas that match your vision: a peaceful retreat, a future development, whatever fuels your passion. Next, due diligence is key. Before you even think about making an offer, dive deep. Contact the local zoning office. Understand the permitted uses. Can you build your dream home, or are you restricted to agricultural use? Now, let's talk financing. Are you paying cash, or do you need a loan? Land loans can be tricky to secure. Explore options like seller financing, local banks, or even agricultural lenders if the land suits that purpose. Time to negotiate. Research comparable land sales in the area. Don't be afraid to start with a lower offer, but be prepared to justify your reasoning. Remember, everything is negotiable. Assess its development or investment potential. Check for access to utilities, water, electricity, sewer. Look into soil quality. Can it support your building plans, or will you need extensive remediation? Finally, dot your I's and cross your T's. Hire a real estate attorney to review the purchase agreement. They'll catch any red flags and ensure a smooth closing. Buying land independently is challenging, but with careful planning and research, it's absolutely achievable. Now go out there and claim your piece of the earth. #land investing, #DIA or real estate.